So what we're seeing a change to with ransomware is they're literally just corrupting your files. So what they're doing is they are taking your data first, which is what we're seeing with the double extortion. And once they have your data, then they're going in and rather than encrypting it with our software, they're just running a piece of software that goes through all your files and corrupts them. And your option is you're going to pay them or you're going to revert to your backups. The interesting thing is that a lot of these cases, they're able to get to the backups of the companies and wipe those out too. We're seeing them move away from this encryption methodology that they've been using for the better part of a decade and a half, and they're moving more to this model where it's not really encrypted anymore. Your data is just corrupted, which means they don't have to run a decryption on the actual files that are on your system. It means they have to move all the files that they copied originally back to you so you have them. It's essentially basically like restoring from backup, but your backup is in the hands of cyber criminals.